What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So, Mangwabe confronted Snare head on. The issue is that Snare had provoked Mangwabe by saying that they were starving her. So, Mangwabe decided, to take this matter head on and actually question Snare on why she goes in public and actually says all of that. So the entire exchange, it ended up being a scuffle. Then Snare broke into tears, and Mangwabe was not holding back at all. So it turned out, to be really something else, that fight, that scuffle between Mangwabe and Snare. I think it's important, for Mangwabe to sort of like hold back when dealing with the likes of Snare, because herself, she is the mother. And what kind of a picture does it paint when we start seeing Mangwabe, getting involved with the Snare in such a scuffle? It's not a good thing, because she may end up, losing respect amongst all the others. And as for Snare herself, I think it's also important for her to avoid, just going away, running away, instead of solving these issues. So this is the scuffle that occurred in episode 30 of Uthando Nes'Thembu. And the overall lesson from all of this is that communication is important, not direct confrontation, like we are fighting or something. Tell me what you think in the comment section, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.